Hi, we're here today to do a walk around through the Carrera Trekseeker 3 off-road caravan. On the drawbar of the caravan is a DO35 off-road hitch with a proper handbrake, the brake safe unit, the electronic Elco ESC unit, which is a stability control. The caravan also comes with a sidewinder jockey wheel, stone guard shield which has double mesh and heavy-duty rubber mud flaps. The drawbar is 6-inch chassis and 6-inch drawbar, two 9-kilo gas bottles, also a checker plate powder-coated toolbox that has doors on either side. Tap on the drawbar as well as two slide-outs on the toolbox, which you can house a barbecue or generator on either side. On the top of the caravan at the front is an adjustable LED light. In the front tunnel boot is a Dometic slide-out kitchen that has a sink, hot and cold water, 3 gas burner cooktop, as well as a cutting board and storage below, and also a bottle opener and stubby holder, all housed in a gal sheeting box in the tunnel boot, as well as having an LED light for nighttime cooking. Below the tunnel boot are 2 gas bayonets, one for the slide-out Dometic kitchen and another one for a barbecue, as well as hot and cold taps for the sink of the slide-out kitchen. Underneath the chassis, as you can see, there are 2 110-litre water tanks that are protected by checker plate aluminium. The caravan has Oztrekker heavy-duty off-road trail arm dual shock and coil per wheel suspension. Caravan comes with black alloy wheels, which are 16-inch in size, as well as mud terrain 265 profile tyres. The caravan comes with a 16-foot roll-out awning, which has 2 large LED lights for illumination, as well as a entry door handle that has an LED light, dual speakers on the outside, TV antenna, 12 volt and 2 USB charger port, as well as another 10 amp power outlet. It has a fold out picnic table that's lockable. The rear bumper bar is a 3-neck bar. It has an original spare on the back, as well as an outdoor shower, hot and cold, 2 LED brake lights and indicator lights at the rear, reverse camera, and another adjustable LED spotlight up the top. Caravan comes with a 28-litre Swift hot water unit that runs on gas, as well as 240-volt electricity, and has a stainless steel tank. To the right of that, we have a toilet, Dometic toilet cassette door, and to the right of that, we also have the fridge vents for the compressor fridge. Here's another view of the suspension, off-road Oztrekker suspension, as well as the 100-litre grey water tank that also has aluminium checker plate protection, and the plumbing is protected by plastic corrugation around the pipes so rocks can't damage the pipework. The caravan has 2 water fillers for the tanks. The batteries are housed in a box, checker plate box attached to the chassis of the caravan, and they're both 120 amp hour lithium premium batteries with a lockable box. On the other side of the van, near the battery box, we have the other side of the tunnel boot, which has gal sheeting on the floor, so you can't damage the floor. And we house the jack, brake safe unit, wheel stabilizer handle, and awning rod in this side, and generally used for storage. And in front of that, we've got the other side of the toolbox on the drawbar, which has another slide out. Now we're inside the Trekseeker 3, and we're going to do a walk around and list all the options that the van comes with. The Trekseeker 3 has been optioned up with a BM Pro battery management system that illuminates and shows you the time, the water tank meters, the water pump controller, how much battery is remaining, how much power in the battery is remaining, volts and amps as well. The entry door, you've got a 2 magazine pouch for storage, padding above the door, as well as the entry door is made out of stainless steel mesh with a modern roller blind. Entry, you've got a grab handle to support you when you're walking inside of the van, and to the right of that is the fire extinguisher. In the kitchen area, you've got a pull-out pantry, and to the right of that, you've got a full oven that has 3 gas cooktop, 240-volt hot plate, grill, and oven. Coupled with a recessed bench top, so when you're not using the oven or the cooktop, you've got more space to utilise on the bench. Above the kitchen, you've got overhead covered storage, as well as a digital range hood that has a light and a 2-speed fan. You've got power points to the other side of the kitchen window, and then below that you've got the deep bowl stainless steel sink, which has a flick mixer that also incorporates a water filter. We have a 23.6-inch TV with a DVD player built in on an adjustable arm, which services the bedroom and the cafe dinette seating area. You can play the TV through the speakers of the Caravan as well. Below that we have a coffee machine, which is plugged into the power point that houses the inverter, so you can utilize that coffee machine when you're free camping, because it is a 240 volt appliance. So the Caravan's been optioned up with a 2000 watt inverter. In the bedroom, we have an Australian made mattress that has a pillow top underneath the top and the bottom, so you can rotate the mattress. It also has a bolster, so you can extend the bed if you wish. Under the bed, we have the Truma gas ducted heater, which has been optioned up in this van. It's got its own separate section, so you've got storage, ample storage underneath the bed as well. On either side of the bed is a little bench top which has a wireless phone charger and also a USB charger, as well as a little pull-out drawer and cupboard below that. Inside the wardrobe, you've got an area where you can hang your clothes, and you've got a shelf above that. You've got a couple of power points in there as well. We have the Truma heater control besides the bed, as well as map reading lights that have USB chargers below them. The van comes standard with a pressure hatch on the ceiling. That is utilised when you're going down dirt roads. You open it up and it helps pressurise the van to reduce dust from coming inside the van. To the left of that is a Dometic hatch that winds up, closes, and it's got fly screen as well. And you've got a Sirocco fan in front of that, which has a 3-speed, which services the bedroom and the dinette area. On the ceiling, we have a Dometic Ibis 4 inverter model recirculating air conditioner. In the cafe dinette area, we have a carbon monoxide detector, as well as a tri-fold-out table, 2 cupboard storage below the table. In the cafe seating area, at each end of the seats, we have kick-up footrests, so you're able to swing your feet around and put your feet up and be more comfortable, as well as a bit more back support on the top of the cafe dinette. In this compartment, we have the Bluetooth USB stereo, as well as the gas and electric hot water controls, water pump controls, as well as the battery management system. Dometic compressor fridge, 188 litres, that runs off the batteries of the Caravans. Also, a microwave above the fridge, and we have 2 solar panels on the roof, which are 200 watts each. A hatch on the ceiling in the walkway near the fridge, which has blockout and fly screen as well. In the ensuite area, you have 2 overhead cupboards, as well as a mirror with another light below the cupboards, vanity, modern square flick mixer, 3.5 kilo top loader washing machine housed in the cupboard, as well as a Dometic toilet with a swivel base, which has a ceramic bowl, soft close lid, and warning symbols on the panel. In the ensuite, you've got an area there where you can store your towels, and above that you've got a linen press with 3 shelves. Above the toilet you've got a window with fly screen and blockout, and above that you've got the roof hatch, which is a 2-way fan. It can take air out of the van and can bring air into the van. A spacious shower that fiberglass starts from the floor and goes right to the ceiling. It's one piece. The flick mixer, light, as well as another hatch on the roof with a fan. Thanks for watching the walkthrough on the Trekseeker 3 off-road caravan. If you've got any questions, please give us a call.